Hey guys, today I am combining my love for biscuits and gravy and making this absolutely gluten free, dairy free, and guilt free. Let me show you how I made this.
But this is a very simple dish.
I have chicken pieces over here which I will marinate,
I got some lemon juice,
2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon or less of salt,
some cumin, half a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste,
Stir this and marinate for 10 minutes. 2 tablespoons of the egg replacement mixture, and this is made out of garbanzo beans and chia seeds.
in this bowl over here, I'll put 2 cups of almond flour,
Half a teaspoon of black pepper.
just a little bit of salt, some nutmeg,
I scraped a quarter teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. Nutmeg powder is fine as well. 2 tablespoons of dairy-free sour cream, and you should find this at any grocery store. A quarter cup of oil. I used a truffle oil, any oil will do. I used rosemary, which I'm growing in my backyard, and I'm so proud of. Rosemary is good for cognition, for memory. It helps you to stay alert as well.
and a quarter cup of cheese.
Pour in the flaxseed mixture we had made before.
2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
You can add 2 tablespoons of dairy-free milk to combine everything together. It's now time to bake this.
Okay, I got my biscuits over here.
I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a pot, I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and chicken, and I will fry this for about 5 minutes.
Okay, now to the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 can of coconut milk.
Then I will cover this and let this cook for 15 minutes.
Okay, the biscuits and the gravy is ready, and now let me plate this.
No jokes, but the smell made me so hungry and I was literally drooling.
Go ahead and serve myself.
Guys, the taste of this was amazing. The biscuits had a warm, crisp bite to it, and the chicken gravy, it just lingered on my tongue. It was packed with anti-inflammatory spices, the turmeric, the ginger, the garlic. It just kept me craving for more. Thank you for watching this, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. This dish is perfect to cook for a party, for a family gathering. You need to try this, and do let me know what you think of this as well. Hope you have a great day, guys.